Say it again, I have no idea why teams have turned to...
Now it's the Afghanistan fans who are making themselves heard. Just helped it on its way.
I think he'll keep swinging. Look, if Afghanistan lose a wicket here, the three men to come are not the biggest hitters in the game. Qais Ahmed, Farid Malik, Zakir Khan.
They look wired on the bench. They looked absolutely like they would rather it be done before they have to get out there. But this may still be needed. He's gone, and he's gone large, and I think that's 4. I'll just check that, I think. But goodness me, what a big over.
Well, forget the fact that it's gone for 4 or 6. I think he's overstepped the mark here. I think it's a free hit.
Oh, it's all going wrong for Pakistan.
Error in the decision to bowl Amir Jamal at this stage of the game.
Oh, that might have gone for 6, you know. This hits the rope, it's 6, and it has been given as 6, so 12 needed. Free hit as well. So the pressure in terms of getting out is off. The pressure in terms of trying to hit another big one is still there. And that will be a wide on height.
So the free hit will have to be bowled again. And this could be the ball game right here. Wide is given if it is above head height of the batter in a standing position. Not if he's crouched, if he is standing upright. So there is complaints from a number of Pakistan fielders. The man from deep square leg has come in to have a natter to the umpire at square leg. It's going to fall on deaf ears.
It was marginal perhaps, but it doesn't matter. Decision's been made. Here we go again. Still a free hit. That's better. But has the damage already been done? All of a sudden the rate is around 4. That is a damaging couple of balls, and no wonder they're smiling. Captain Naib feeling a little more at home now.
Well, now I don't think he wants to get out. I think now he's got to be smart. As I said, those next 3 to come, they can get knocked over quickly. As the captain, you don't want to give Pakistan the opportunity to bowl at your last 3 batters. You can take a single here.
Oh, he's gone for it. He's gone for it, and it's gone out of the ground, into the trees, possibly into the river, and Afghanistan surely into the final.
Well, that is a way to end it, isn't it? He's taken the risk and it's come off.
Captain's innings. That went a country mile.
Well, just before this over started, there was a meeting of about 5 or 6 Pakistan minds, and between them they came up with the decision to bowl pace.
Well, 1 more 6 will do the job. It's advantage Afghanistan. And a wide, and very nearly a run as well.
Amir Jamal didn't need to bowl. Akram, the captain, the off spinner, 1 for 18 in 2. Minas, 2 for 11 in 3. And Kushdal Shah, 0 for 11 in 2.
It was a big decision, that's for sure, and will be debated by the fans in front of us, who've gone a bit quiet. 4 needed. That'll only be 1. It was a... Oh, no! A farcical way to wrap it up, but Afghanistan have beaten Pakistan, and they will face India in the final tomorrow.
Well, a brilliant performance by the captain, Gulbuddin Naib. They were cruising and then they stuttered and then he walked to the wicket, and as he's done with the ball in hand, he said, leave the